Hey, what's going on? Back with another one of the books. We got the African Spear today. The Sansevieria cylindrical. This one caught my eye at the nursery. Look at this beauty. Just, you know, that's picture perfect right there. How can it not be? Picture perfect. Look at that. Just, bam. Bam. These are probably the easiest, most hardy plants to grow ever. Easiest, hardiest plant ever to grow. You propagate it, you take a cutting wherever you want, put it in soil with water, propagate it by water, take a cutting anywhere, it'll start to root, start to grow new babies. This plant can go dry for days. Actually, the Sansevierias are the only plants that can actually survive in the dark. So you can actually have this in the dark somewhere in your house and it will still grow and thrive. And you can have this outdoors in direct sunlight right in the middle of the hot summer day, and this thing will, it's just that hardy. It's that hard to mess with it. I mean, look how big this thing is. And let's look at the root system. I mean, look, it was growing in a 3-inch pot. Here's the root system. These roots are hardcore. These are healthy roots, dude. Nothing dead whatsoever. I watered it for the first time when I first got it. This is the first time I water it. It's been like a month. I watered it so it gets some feedings because I'm gonna, unpot it today. Look at that little cute little root system. Look at that. Just the perfect picture plant. Perfect photo. Perfect picture. And look at the root system. The perfect little root system. You could almost just pot it upside down, and look at the roots. The African Spear, Sansevieria cylindrical. I'm going to repot it in here. Just something around that downsizing it or upsizing it. Which we don't need to actually, but let the roots grow a little bit more. They've been suffocating a little bit. You know what? We're actually going to pot it, change of plans. We are going to put in a little bit smaller pot. A little bit bigger than what it was in. 3-inch to a 4-inch, not a 5-inch. But the reason being, this is a orchid pot. And with, this is really hardy plant. These things thrive when it's dry, when the soil's dry. This pot will do just perfect. The orchid pot with the size on the thing and a drain hole. Add a little bit of soil in there. And we're just gonna hold up this guy right on top of the soil. I'm not gonna let it go because we don't want it to fall on its roots. Even these roots are really heavy duty. Couple pats. The roots still showing a little bit. That's kind of cool though, I kind of like doing stuff when you can show the roots. This is the plant that you're more than happy to do that too. They don't mind the roots showing at all. There we go. Just a little bit nicer pot. Upgrade it, a little nicer. Perfect picture. Call it the perfect picture succulent right there. Sansevieria African Spills. Houseplant, outdoor plant. Survive in the dark. Survive in bright sun. cold hardy, you name it. Can't go wrong with the Sansevieria. For beginners, it's one of those plants that's a must. You start with it, it'll get you going, because you can't. It's almost impossible to hurt it. All right, sorry, just keep showing you guys perfect picture. There we go. Thank you. Likes, comment, subscribe.